Hey, happy Friday. It's 11:53. This is actually my bridge. My daughter bought some Greek. She bought some a falafel pita, and she was kind of gracious enough to share with me. So she had two of them. So she gave me one. So I just ate that about 8:30, and I'm a little bit hungry again because that's the only thing that I ate all day. So normally I would break my fast with this. This is Keto and Fire's chicken bone broth, and then I add in some ginger, cream of tartar, some sea salt, my collagen, and just blend it up. Oh, and a tablespoon of butter, and I blend it up. And then I have these flaxseed crackers. They help to keep you going to the bathroom. I mean, they're not bad either. They look like they would be disgusting, but they're actually not. And if you put something on it like some soft cheese or cucumber or guacamole, they're actually pretty good, but they help you go to the bathroom. You know, flax seeds, and I ain't do my smoothie today. So, and normally I add ground flax seeds to that, 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna just eat these. And I actually still eat these when I'm hungry as a snack with something, and I've been going to the bathroom fine. So, and it curbs my hunger. So this is it. You know, this week was a good week. I worked out Monday through Friday, and even though my body was, oh my gosh, from the day I did that sprint exercise, I think that was Wednesday, until today, my whole lower body is sore. But I went and got it in today, you know, and you'll see the video in this. I started off with jump rope. I didn't show that. About 5 minutes. I kind of mimicked Mr. London's jump rope workout. I just didn't do the speed jumps for 10 minutes, but I jumped rope 30 seconds on, and then I went into another exercise. You know, like I said, I mimicked his exercises that he did with his jump rope. I just didn't do the speed part for the extra 10 seconds then going. So I did that off and on, you know, for about 5 minutes or so. And then once I finished that, I went to the bleachers and did 1 rep of 6. Normally it's 10, but I just jumped rope, so I didn't feel the need to do a set of 10. So I did a set of 6 2 times with 2 reps. Then I did a hopscotch jump, which you'll see in the video, once, and I did a bear crawl up the bleachers once, and did some mountain climbers, some bench mountain climbers, push-ups, and some tricep leg kick. It works your triceps, your arms, and, you know, I guess your lower abs, because you're kicking your leg up. I don't know what you call those. And then I walked the track for like 4 laps because my son's football practice was only going to be, I'll put it on this. Y'all see all of these videos? Please go and watch them and give me a thumbs up. But my son's football practice was going to be short, so it didn't make sense for me to go home. They was literally out there for like an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. And so the coach told me that they weren't going to be long today. So I just, once I finished my workout, I just walked the track like a brisk walk. So I think I took about 4 to 5 laps around. And then they was done, and we just came on home. So he has to be to practice tomorrow by 6:30. So I'm contemplating if I'm going to walk. If I ain't half dead, then I may go and walk, hoping that their practice is not going to be a long one. But if I am half dead, I'm going to just drop him off and come on back home, and hoping they be longer than an hour for practice. So that is what I'm doing. That is my week. And I'm going to get out of here. Peace. Be safe. Happy Saturday, my people. Rich gang. So today is my chill day. I had to take my son to practice. I had to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I just came back and I said, you know what, I wasn't going to fast today. Today was going to be a full day of eating for me. So I'm starting off with some 3-egg omelet with some raw cheddar cheese, 3 slices of bacon. It's actually 1 whole piece of bacon and a half. And then I got these paleo banana pancakes, 2 of them. That was the serving size of that. So this is what I'm starting off. And probably maybe about 2:30 or so I have my coffee. We'll see if I'm even hungry. Or I just go into dinner later on after this. We'll see. So no workout today or tomorrow. I won't be back to that until Monday. Body needs a rest. And we're going to go from there. I'll see you later. Hey. It's Sunday night. It's 8:11. I'm eating dinner. I broke my fast earlier with a coffee. And here I have some steak with onions and peppers. And I do have some rice up under here. It's the Zatarain's, what you call it? The Zatarain's, not the dirty rice, but the, I forget the rice. It's not the dirty rice. It may be the dirty rice where you can add sausage, chicken, beef, or whatever. I didn't add anything to it because we was having beef. But then I have some cucumbers right here. So this is going to be what I'm having for dinner for tonight. And hopefully I don't be messing around the end of the night snacking. So that's all I got for you. I'll see y'all Monday. Peace.